I was wondering, with could, would, and may. Polite requests in English. Hello there! Welcome back to our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to discuss a specific part of English conversation: how to make polite requests. More specifically, we're focusing on combining the phrase, I was wondering if, with the modal verbs, could, would, and may. This might sound a bit tricky, but don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll have mastered this and be able to use it confidently in your everyday conversations. Before we get into combining, I was wondering if, with, could, would, and may. Let's quickly review these modal verbs. Could is often used to express possibility and to make polite requests. Would is used to talk about hypothetical situations, or to make polite requests and offers. May is used to express possibility, to ask for permission, and to make formal requests. We use these modal verbs to make our language sound more polite and less direct. But when combined with the phrase, I was wondering if, they become even more polite and respectful. Now, let's see how we can combine I was wondering if with could, would, and may. I was wondering if you could. This is used to make very polite requests. For example, I was wondering if you could lend me your book. I was wondering if you would. This is used to ask about someone's willingness to do something in a polite way. For example, I was wondering if you would like to join us for dinner. I was wondering if I may. This is a formal and very polite way to ask for permission. For example, I was wondering if I may leave early today. These phrases help us make requests and ask questions in a way that is respectful and considerate. Let's practice some examples to really understand how to use these phrases. 1. I was wondering if you could help me with this project. 2. I was wondering if you would consider extending the deadline. 3. I was wondering if I may take a day off next week. Remember, it's all about practicing these phrases in your daily conversations to make them a natural part of your English communication. And that's it for today's lesson. You've now learned how to use I was wondering if, with, could, would, and may, to make polite requests in English. Practice these in your everyday conversations and you'll sound more respectful and considerate. Don't forget, learning a new language is a journey, and every step you take gets you closer to fluency. Keep practicing, keep learning, and I'll see you in our next video.